Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2009 Ducati Monster 696. This motorcycle has just under 5,900 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. The front tire on this bike has got some decent tread on it, but is weather cracking. This bike has had a minor tip over on both sides. On the right side here, we've got a little scraping here on the edge of the mirror, a little bit here on the engine cover, and a little spot here on the exhaust. The only two items on this bike are the factory passenger seat cowl and an aftermarket tank pad. The rear tire on this bike is in decent shape. It's got some miles left on it, but it's starting to get quite a flat patch in the middle. So really, this bike should get a set of tires fairly soon. On the left side here, the damage is pretty minimal. We got a little nick there on the exhaust, bar end, and it broke the front lever off, which we are going to be replacing. Otherwise, still a good, sharp-looking bike. Alright, show you those miles now. $58.38 is what's on it. There, got it flashing in and out. This 2009 Ducati Monster 696 is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it has been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.